We first begin overseas with the major Asian Pacific markets once again starting off the week on the downside, this time with Japan's Nikkei 225 index on the downside, 2.1%, while the Shanghai Composite was lower 0.1%. European markets for the most part are closed today, and over in the United States, right here, the futures were pointing towards a flat open after both the Dow Jones right now up only 7 3/4 points. Now we first begin in Japan as its survey of business controls for manufacturers that rose to a reading of -8 during the first quarter, this up from -12 in the fourth quarter of 2012. However, economists hadn't expected an advance to -7. Meanwhile, in China, its official manufacturing PMI that rose to a reading of 50.9 from 50.1 last month. However, that was short of expectations, calling for a rebound to 51.2 on the index. Meanwhile, in Greece, its PMI that tumbled to 42.1 in the month of March from 43 in the month of February, therefore indicating a rising pace of contraction in manufacturing for the nation. And according to the IMF, the euro's share of global currency reserves that fell to a reading of 24%, its lowest level since 2002, and well below the 2009 peak of 31%. At the same time, market's final March reading of U.S. PMI, they came in at a total of 54.6. That was below expectations of a rise to 55, but slightly higher than last month's reading of 54.3. And in the United States, ISM Manufacturing Index for the month of March that slowed sharply to its lowest level in the month of December, since the month of December, therefore falling to a reading of 51.3% from 54.2%. And February construction spending that rose a total of 1.2%.